It's DeFOUW Collision on social media today. DeFOUW Express Collision Center. What's that all about, Jeff Sneathan?
Well, Dan, it actually started out as DeFOUW Collision Express. We tried to open up a kind of a fast-track repair center, but due to phenomenal growth and our local community being so loyal and so good to DeFOUW's, hopefully that's good service we gave back.
Great.
We actually grew so much that we actually have now converted this over to our BMW Certified shop, where we do mainly BMWs here. We do other brands, we'll do other vehicles here, but every vehicle that's been involved in a collision that's a BMW will be done and repaired here. Then we just drive next door to have all the paint work done.
So these guys are specialized at doing BMW.
Absolutely. Yes, two of our technicians that are here in this building have had every single class that BMW offers for collision work. And it's different. You know, by golly, I've been through a lot of classes over the years, but I have to tell you that getting certified in BMW is really close to getting a PhD in collision repair. I don't know what the equivalent would be, but that's as close as I can.
It has to be. It's the ultimate driving machine.
Yeah, that's what they say anyway, and it is a nice car for sure.
Is, yeah.
But you know, these guys have made many trips up to Michigan, where they do a lot of the classes. They do some classes up in Chicago, but again, we'll do some other ones. We've got a Subaru and a Dodge Ram here, but mainly we do, our main thrust is all the BMWs always come through here for collision repair. We have all of our specialized tools for BMW, everything from what they call a flatliner system, which is a specialized dent pulling system. BMW does require that we have that both for aluminum and for steel. All of our carbon fiber repair tools, all of our aluminum tools are here. Basically, so if it's done on a BMW, it needs to be certified, and it's done right here.
Can they come straight to here, or is the protocol go to the DeFOUW Collision and then you farm it out to inside your auto group? What
you betcha. If it's a BMW certified repair they need to have done, it actually, everything initiates there at 320 Sagamore, attached to the Chevrolet building, and then we distribute it right here on the same campus, basically.
Yeah.
We really never leave the DeFOUW property. Of course, we have another location, so we have two locations here in Lafayette with DeFOUW Nissan, the body shop there. But as far as the BMW stuff, there's actually only 3 certified collision repair centers in the Indiana for BMW.
Wow.
Yes,
Nice.
and we're one of them. So again, if it weren't for the training and investment that the DeFOUW family's committed for our customers, we wouldn't have that certification.
That's great. Good. Thanks for showing us.
You betcha. We're always welcome.
Yep. If you own a Beamer, you know what to do now. It's DeFOUW Collision and their Express Center here.